I know, and I am deeply aware that I missed a video last week, and it haunts me because I started this series with intentionality to do this. I have all the episodes listed to a T. Like, I knew what I was supposed to do last week. I know what I'm supposed to be doing 2 weeks from now. But I'm here trying to figure out my why, hoping it will convince me to go back to recording videos and actually creating more content to the world. First of all, if it's your first time here, I'm Bethany. I have been working at Microsoft now for 3 years. I have been in the community, in the tech ecosystem in Kenya for now almost close to 5 years. I started learning how to code in 2018. I was a student, a business student, and it was tough. The source of refuge, or should I say the source of hope that I found was the fact that in tech there's a lot of communities. So I was able to join in there and learn a lot from them. And yeah, that's my journey up to here. So in this video, what I am going to cover is my why. Why exactly did I create this series? And yeah, maybe it will convince me to go back to creating. Maybe by then, on Friday, we'll have another video. Also, to sort of give myself some sort of, how do you call it? Some sort of leniency, some sort of, yeah, you're good. Is the fact that on Friday, on Thursday, last week was hectic. I normally record the videos before Friday, but the entirety of last week, it was just a blur, like a legitimate blur. Okay, let's get to the meat of it. Why exactly did I decide, okay, I'm gonna do a series, I'll call it FunDemo Fridays. First of all, what you should know about me is I really, really love teaching. I enjoy teaching. It's one of those things that make my day. Like, if I'm given an opportunity to teach, I will always say yes. And what I wanted to do in this series was to go beyond just teaching, like a lecture, but do something around how you can actually build with AI and technology, like what it looks like to bring ideas to life. I did innovation as an undergrad, so for me, bringing things to life is very key. Second, I feel so incredibly privileged that I have access to all these tools, all these technologies. Like, literally, I know what's going to happen in build before even build gets here. Like, I know some of the inner workings of big tech, and it just feels like my knowledge is wasted if I don't share it. Because if I'm not sharing, what am I doing with it? And I know by giving you this tidbits, this information, you can also feel more confident with what to do with AI, and you can go along and build things. And then, this is a bad thing to mention, but I was at an event and someone said, AI is a genius. It does not hallucinate. This was a speaker who claimed to be an expert, and I was like, okay, we don't call it hallucination anymore, but like, what do you mean? AI is not a genius. It's just piecing in together words and algorithms and trying to figure out any matching patterns. So what made me like have either a deja vu or like a eureka moment was, if you can be so bold, yet you're so wrong, then yeah, I can be bold and right. So here I am. And finally, the one reason I decided, okay, I can do this, was I know so many people who do videos, who talk about AI. I know so many minorities out there, but I don't see anyone who shares my background. I don't see a lot of Kenyans out there sharing information, sharing that knowledge. And I wanted to be like, okay, I can't go beyond the classroom. I can't go beyond teaching and do this, right? And I was like, I have so many colleagues who do this. And if they can, they inspire me. Oh my God. They inspire me so much. So I was like, if they can do it, so can I. And I was like, yep, let me do it. Let me learn. Let me build. Let me share with the whole world what I'm building and show up boldly. So this week, expect a video or two from me. But here I am signing off, wishing you the best of luck in the week, and see you.